Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our lesson today. Remember, in our last lesson, we discussed about Telegram and we did some questions. So today we shall be summarizing the Telegram because sometimes they will tell you to round off your answers into 5 cents, to round off to the nearest cents or shillings, that's what they will say. So we shall be finalizing today. Here there is a question. You are told the charges for sending a telegram is shillings 4. The charges for sending a telegram is shillings 4 for up to 10 words. It's shillings 4 for up to 10 words. For up to 10 words. They said every word after 10 words cost. Every word after 10 words costs 40 cents. 40 cents. Then they said a tax of 15% of the total was also charged. A tax of 15% of the total was also charged. The total payment was rounded up to the nearest 5 cents. The total payment was rounded off to the nearest 5 cents. Was rounded off to the nearest 5 cents. How much did Auma pay for sending the telegram? Did Auma pay for sending a telegram? For sending the telegram. The telegram says now how much did Auma send the telegram? They said Collins. Telegram is here. Collins. Auma. Collins. Auma. Box 461. Box 461. Nairobi report. Nairobi report urgently Nakuru report urgently Nakuru hospital sister discharged bring 5,000 shillings. 5,000 shillings. 5,000 shillings. So this is the telegram now. This person is sending a telegram. We say telegram is a way of sending a message through the post office. It was an old system. Now this person is sending a message, and we say we don't use the helping verbs. So we say Collins, Auma box this, Nairobi report urgently, Nakuru hospital sister discharged, bring 5,000 shillings. So this person has understood the message without using the conjunctions or primary or helping verb. So what do we do? The first thing, we count the number of words. How many words are here? Let us count the number of words. Number of words. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So those are now 14 words. There's no full stop. Remember, full stops and commas are counted as words, but there's no comma, there's no full stop. So those are 14 words. Those are 14 words. Then now you are told the first 10 words. The instruction was saying telegram for sending is -4 for the up to 10 words. So for the first 10 words, they say it's charged -4. Every additional word, or every additional word means extra words that comes after 10 is also charged 40 cents. Extra words, every extra word. So extra words here, there are 4 extra words. Extra words. They were 14. Extra words are now 4. So 10 words. 14 words total. 14 words minus the first 10 words. 14 words minus the first 10 words. So the extra words are 4. 4 words are extra. These are extra words. So it's charged 40 cents now. Every. So 40 cents times 4. These are extra words. Times 4 words, you will get 160 cents. You will get 160 cents. Remember, I said when you have a cent, what you do, you will change the cent into shillings. How do we change it? And I say 1 shilling has got 100 cents. So we divide it by 100. Whenever you are changing a cent into a shilling, you divide it by 100 now. So divide by 100. Cancel point. So here you will get shillings 1 and 6 cents. So the extra words 1 and 6 cents. The first 10 words, they said -4. What do we do now? We add the 2 amounts. So we say now -4 plus shillings 1.6, which is equals to, now you will get shillings 5.65 and 6 cents. So you are told now a tax of 15% of the total was also charged, tax of the government tax. So we say now 15 out of 100 times 5.6. So what do we do now? We don't say by. What do we do? I said you multiply this, then you introduce a decimal. So let us multiply now 15 times 5.6. So let's say now 5.6 times 15 now. 30 carry 3, 25, 28, 25, 28, 6, 5, 0, 4, 8. So decimal point is 1. So they will go together. So when they go together, here you will get now 84. Alpha this 100. We never touched this one. Alpha 100. So we cancel, we introduce a point. We are dealing with decimal points in Telegram. Cancel, it will move 1 step to this side. So it will become 0.84. But that is not the answer. What you do now, you add, because the amount that you have taxed. So now we say 5.6 plus 0.84. So here is 4. Here is 4. Carry 1, 6. So you will get 6 shillings, 6.44. That is how we do. But that is not the answer. The question was saying round off to the nearest 5 cents. It was asking to the nearest 5 cents. This is the answer now after tax. But you are told round off to the nearest 5 cents. Whenever you are told to the nearest 5 cents, this is where the problem is. What you do in easy way, I always tell my learners, in easy way, whenever you are told round off to the nearest 5 cents, you check the last digit number. If the last digit number falls between 7 to 0, if it falls in easy way, if it falls now from 0 to 7, that one, then we round off to the nearest 5 cents, it will go back to 5. For example, if the last digit number is 6, this 6, for it to go to the side of 10, and for it to go back to the side of 5, it will be easy. for this 6 to go back to side of 5 instead of going to the side of 10, because when this 6 moves backward to the side of 5, it will only carry 1 step, but when it goes to upward, it will carry 4 steps. So it is very easy for this 6 to go back to side of 5 then rising up to the side of 10. So when the last digit number always falls between 0 to 7, what we do, we round it off to the nearest 5 cents. It will be, the last digit number will become 5. So here is 4. This 4 it falls between 0 and 7. So when it falls between 0 and 7, in short way, the answer will become now 6.4. So the last digit number falls between 0 and 7, it will become 5. So the answer is shillings 6.45. The answer is shillings 6.45. So what you do, you check the last digit number if it is between 0 to 5. So it is very easy for this number to go back to 1 than going 1 step ahead to the side of 5. So it will become 5. So if it is now 4, if it is 5, it will remain 5. If it is 4, it will become 5. It is 3, it will become 5. So that is how we do. So it is now 6.54. That will be the answer how we round off. So let us see. I'm repeating. The first thing is you count the number of words. The number of words here, there are 14 words. They are told the first 10 words, shillings 4, fine. Every extra word, how many words are extra now? They were 14. Yeah, and every extra words that come after 10. So the total words are 14. So you subtract from the first 10. Extra words are 4 words now, extra. It's charged 40 cents. They said 40 cents. So you say 40 times 4, you will get 160 cents. Always the cents you change into a shilling. When you are changing to a shilling, you divide it by 100 because a shilling has got 100 cents. So divide it by 100. Cancel, cancel, cancel. We need a point. We don't simplify. So you will get shillings 1.6. Plus now, the 4 shillings for the first 10 words you add. Plus 4, you will get shillings 5.6. So a tax, that amount is what the government now wants the tax. So you tax that amount. 15 over 100 times shillings 5.6, you will get 8.4. So 15 over 100 times 5.6, you will get 0.84. Now that's not the answer. Do not forget to add the total amount. Total amount that that was taxed was 5.6 plus 0.84. You will get 6.44. But the question was asking, round off to the nearest 5 cents. Round off to the nearest 5 cents, you check the last digit number. If it is 5 and if it is 6, if it is 4, if it is 7, it will go back to 5. So the last digit number will become 5. So it will become 6.45. Let us move to another question. Yeah, you are told the charges for sending a telegram are shillings 8. The charges for sending a telegram are shillings 8 for 10 words or less. For 10 words or less. For 10 words or less. Then you are told, and shillings 0.8 for extra words. For extra words. Then you are told for extra words after 10 words. Then plus 15% government tax. Plus 15% of the government tax. Government tax. How much did Kamau pay for sending the following telegram? How much did Kamau pay for sending the following telegram? the following telegram. For sending the following telegram. Then you are told now, answer to the nearest sent. Bracket, you are told answer to the nearest, answer to the nearest sent. Answer to the nearest sent. Answer to the nearest sent. So what we do, we write now the telegram. You are told here Jane Wanjiru. You are told Jane Wanjiru. Jane Wanjiru. Jane Wanjiru, Box 11, Nairobi. Box 11, Nairobi. Box 11, Nairobi. Come home, sister. Come home, sister. Come home, sister. Come home, sister. Admitted 10 weeks hospital. Admitted 10 weeks hospital. Admitted 10 weeks hospital. 10 is in word, eh? 10 weeks hospital. 10 weeks hospital. John Mwangi. John Mwangi. John Mwangi. So there's no full stop. So what we do, we count the number of words. We count the number of words. Here we have the number of words. When we are counting, we have Jan or Jane or Jane, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Those are 14 words now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's no full stop. So the number of words are 14. Number of words. Number of words, 14. Extra means additional. Means extra, additional words. Extra words, 4. After 10, there are 4. So you are told now the first 10 words. First 10 words is shillings 8. First 10 words are shillings 8. Extra word, every extra word, 0.8. Every extra word, they say it is shilling 0.8. Every extra word is shilling 0.8. So what we do now, extra words are 4. So we say now this one time is 4. So here it will become 32. Decimal point is 1, 3.2. 32, 2 carry 3. Sorry. 4, 7, 7.2. No, 3.2. 32, 2 carry 3, 0, 3, 3.2. So it is 3.2, shillings 3.2. What we do now, we add. For the first 10 words, shillings 8. So we say 8 plus 3.2 shillings. So here you will get 11.2. When you add 8.0 plus 3.2, you get 11. So you will get 11.2. You will get 11.2. Then you are told government tax was also charged. So we are not 15% of government tax was also charged. 15% now. So what we do now, we add the two amount, that is shillings 11.2. 15%, 15 out of 100 times 11.2 now. I said we don't simplify. We first multiply this, then we divide it by 100. So let us multiply now. 11.2 times 15. 10 carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 5. 2. 1 1 0 8 6 1. Decimal point was 1 1. They go together. When the 0 and the decimals are on the last side, they go together. So the answer here, you will get 168. 10 carry 1. Here the number of words we count. So they are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Those are 14 words now. You are told they are Chinese 8 for the first 10 words. So 14 words extra 4. The first 10 words Chinese 8. Extra words 0.8. So you multiply now, each one is 0.8 now, times 4 now. You will get 32, 3.2 shillings. We add now. We say the first 10 words shillings 8. 8 plus 3.2, you will get 11.2. 15% tax was also charged. So we say 15 of 100 times 11.2. Then we have multiplied this one. We said 1 2 times 15. We say carry 1 5 6 5 2 1 1 0 8 6 1. Then decimal point, they go together. So we say you will get 168. Now divide by 100, you will get 1.68. Sorry. There was a problem. So 1.68, sorry, this is not the answer. 1.68, we forgot to add. This is not the answer. We add the total amount. You add the total amount. So you say plus 11.2. You add the amount that was taxed. 8.21. So that is the amount now. Before we round off, sorry, I did a mistake. I forgot to add this. So the answer was 1.68 plus. A student normally forget to add this, plus 11.2. You will get 12.88. 12.88. What we do now, you are told now to round off to the nearest cent. When you are told to round off, they say the round answer to the nearest cent. They have not said 5 cents, sorry. They said answer to the nearest cent. Answer to the nearest cent, not 5 cents. When you're told to round off to the nearest cent, you round off the way we used to round off, rounding off. So what we do, as I said, this one, it will become 0 when we are rounding off. It's more than 5. You add 1 here. So it's because it's more than 5. If it is 5 and more, as we used to do, rounding off, so you round off. So if it is 5 and more, you round off, you make this number 0, you add 1 here. So it will become shillings 12.90. That is how you round off when you are told to the nearest cent. So for Telegram, I think those were what was remaining. Then we proceed to a new topic tomorrow, inshallah. Not tomorrow, our next lesson, inshallah. Thank you very much.